Hi guys, this is Wood with Guy Chipman Construction. Finishing up the interior of the restoration of this big house in the Vaca neighborhood. Hope y'all come inside, take a look. We've done a beautiful job. It's getting close to sunset on a Sunday afternoon, and the house is really pretty this time of day, so hope y'all come in and take a look at what we got going on here. This entry is just incredible with these beautiful stairs, an original stained glass window. And the big pocket doors that were so typical in one of these houses separates the formal dining room from the entry. And over here we have the parlor with the old coal burning fireplace that's been converted to gas with automatic ignition, automatic start, push of a button. Parlor has beautiful coffered ceilings, as does the master bedroom and the formal dining room. Here's the family room. And it's got its own fireplace here. This is the electric version of the fireplace. Great thing about this house is its porches, like so many of these houses. And then here on the cross axis is the formal dining room. And its coal burning fireplace has a hand painted cover. It makes it look so charming. Beadboard, wainscot, and chair rail, typical of this era of house. All the transom windows work throughout. Everything's been weather stripped and sealed to cut down on the road noise and the wind drafts. And then in here we have hallway with a pantry on the right and utility, and then the mudroom in the back. Nice place to kick your boots off, come inside, and it leads right to the kitchen. And beautiful tile backsplash made here in San Antonio, of all places. Countertops by Delta Granite, cabinets by Michael Edwards. New French door by Pella to replace the old one. Still got a few ladders outside, but give you a better view of this gorgeous kitchen, which is connected to the family room. So nice. And then here we have powder bath. And then up the back stairs, it's kind of a cool little feature of the house. These stairs were completely rebuilt, and we were able to salvage about 50% of the long pine treads. And at one point this house was a multiplex, probably 5 different units, and now it's back to single family. But this was probably an exterior stairwell at one time and then later enclosed. And this little porch back here has become a sunroom, and you can see the flooring is laid out like a hip. It slopes in 2 different directions, and that was so when the rains blew in, the water would run out before they enclosed it. But here we have the master bath. Custom cabinets again. Granite by Delta Granite. Tile by Wallace Tile. Bit of a walk-in shower. Got the soap dishes. It's got the rain head up there. And a nice bench to sit on. All the hardware was painstakingly cleaned and restored. This is the master bedroom. Again with the beadboard, but in white and here. And again with the coppered ceiling, but instead of stained, it's painted white with the gray ceiling. Nice master closet. And you can see that beautiful stained glass bringing light into the master bath again. It's a 4-bedroom house. This is Marcus' bedroom in the back. Still has the old chimney in it from the kitchen down below. And a nice little porch on, or balcony on the back. Overlooking the backyard. And then we have a very cool little Jack and Jill bath here. And tub with subway tile and soap niches and a walk-through closet. This bedroom over here, which is over the carport, didn't originally have a closet, so it didn't qualify as a bedroom. So now we've made it more into a bedroom with its own closet, and has a wonderful 180-degree view. And over there in the distance is the Alamo Dome. And behind the palm tree, our famous Hemisphere Tower. Little squeak. That's Caitlin's bedroom. That's so she can't sneak out at night. Anyway, guest bedroom here. And the beautiful front porch with a view of the tower. This is wood, Vaca Chipman Construction. Very pleased with all the fine work my guys have done. And hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Signing off for now. This is Wood with Vaca Chipman Construction.